Hello everyone, today we will explain our project on cable fault location using Arduino, and our guide is Sarwadnya sir, HOD of Electrical Department. Myself Sneha Suryawanshi and my teammates are Renuka Punkewar, Sapan Choudante and Vaishnavi Panchal. Now I am here to present the content of our project. Introduction. The project is determine the distance of underground cable fault from base station in kilometer using an Arduino board. Many times fault occurs due to construction works and other reasons. Cable have same resistance. We are mainly focusing that resistance. Resistance can vary with respect to length of the cable. If the length of the cable increase, the value of resistance will also be increased. If any deviation occurs in the resistance value, we will call that its fault point, and finding that place through Arduino Uno technology. The fault point represents that standard of distance in kilometers from the base station. The value is displayed by the display.
Next working will be explained by Renuka Punkewar.
Punkewar Renuka. Here I am explaining the working of this circuit. Myself Punkewar Renuka. Here I am explaining the working of this circuit. In this project we are using resistors in series like R1, R2, R3, R4, R5, R6, R7, R8, R9, R10, R11, R12. Like this shown in a circuit diagram, one circuit for each phase like RYB. Each series resistor represents the resistance of underground cable for the specific distance. Thus the four resistance in the series represent a 1 to 4 kilometer resistance. Three relay are used to common point for their contact to the ground, while an O point are connected to the input of the R1, R4 and R8 being the three-phase cable input. The fault creation is made by the set of switches at every known kilometer to cross the check across the same. The fault occurring at a particular distance and respective phase is displayed on the LCD display added to the Arduino board. Next, the testing of this cable fault location using Arduino will be done by Vaishnavi Panchal.
We are seeing that R is no fault, Y is no fault and B is no fault. You can see here switches are used here. This is R line, Y line and B line to create the fault using these switches, and to calculate the distance using these resistors. These resistors are 100 ohm. Stop. Now I create the fault in R phase. It will show like this 1 kilometer distance on LCD display.
Y first and
now I will place the Y line first and B line third. So this show Y line show 1 kilometer distance on LCD display and B line show 4 kilometer distance on LCD display. As we push the switch, if there is a fault, then first LED will be blink for 2 seconds.